gonna listen. I won't stare at you.
Okay, this is a VR for Ebomey on what was the first gun that you purchased. Mine was the model 586 no dash back in 1980, and I just absolutely loved that revolver. Of course, I couldn't afford, you know, the Colt Python back then, especially on the pay that we got. But anyway, I wanted to show you this here, the model 586-1. This one is in the nickel or chrome. I think they call it the nickel version. And I just love this revolver. It's a classic. Still has the firing pin on the hammer. Stainless steel front blade sight. Oh God. You know, that 2 Hearted Ale is pretty good, James. So anyway, I just wanted to show this to you. And you know, this is my VR to Ebomey, but I want you guys to get in on it too. And you know, talk about what your first gun purchase was. If you don't have it, you know, it doesn't matter. I'd like to hear what your first gun purchase was too. It's kind of like a little history. So go over there and check it out. I'll put the links and everything in the description box below. And it doesn't have to be a real long one. Just do it. Just show them what you originally owned, or talk about what you originally owned. I mean, it'd be really great. And even if you have a gun, a revolver, pistol, shotgun, rifle, just put it out there and let's see it. I mean, that makes it more fun. So you guys take care, and we will talk to you later. And don't say nothing, James. Would you fall asleep? See that?
I don't say nothing.
Oh, okay. Talk to you guys later.